Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by getting direct control. Open Control Center and locate the brightness slider. You want immediate feedback. Next, disable auto brightness so your adjustments stay fixed. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Display and Text Size, then turn off auto brightness. Do this now so the following steps actually change the screen instead of the sensor reverting them. Once done, set a mid-range level to test in real conditions, and make sure the phone is not in low power mode, which can limit brightness. Now refine the brightness. Drag the slider quickly for big shifts, then press and hold the slider for finer increments. That gives you more precision. If your goal is accurate color and consistent comfort, compare with True Tone on, then off. True Tone adapts color temperature to ambient light, which can affect perceived brightness. Make sure to check in both bright sunlight and low light rooms, because what looks good indoors may be unreadable outside. Once you've found a sweet spot, note it for future resets. Finish by locking in your chosen level and restarting the phone to confirm persistence. Some temporary states clear after a reboot. If sliders or auto brightness behave oddly, go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset, then reset all settings to restore control without erasing data. If that fails, make sure the screen glass and sensors are clean and undamaged. Physical issues can mimic software problems. If brightness still won't change, contact Apple support or visit a tech.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.